Alrighty guys, today we are building this Medieval Blacksmith from Lego Ideas. It is set 21325 for ages 18 and up and has 2,164 pieces. Now I got this for my birthday for being a teenager, and this is really nice. Time to unbox it. Okay guys, let's get to unboxing. Oh, and also, to go with the set, I got this little red-haired archer with her bow right here. Here's her bow, and then I got this bird that I liked with her, so that's pretty cool. Now we just go get something to unbox this. Maybe this will work. Hang on, 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm back with scissors. Snippety 1 and 2. For my birthday, I turned 13. So if you're a teenager watching this right now, like and subscribe. I'm guessing that this Lego set has probably 16 bags, and it comes with a dog, another archer, a blacksmith, 2 knights, and a horse. Now the horse is going to be pulling a wagon in the set, so oh my gosh, that is a lot. So it comes with these 4 16 by 16 base plates for addition. You could add, well, you have to add these, but they're not in any of the things. This set has, it looks like it has 14 bags. This is bag 14, probably the last one. Yeah, and right, yeah. So this set has 14 bags, and I'll do like a transition so that you guys don't have to watch me build this whole thing. Now in the comments below, tell me for my next speed build what to do, because either you guys want me to do like the first bag or so, and then I could pause the video and I do it time lapse where it just appears, or I could do something else. Let me know in the comments, and let's get to building. Okay guys, so this is the Medieval Blacksmith house. It has a little pumpkin patch on the outside, some knights and a horse, a literal blacksmith, so if you push this, it lights up like the magma or whatever it is. And right here is an anvil, and if you look closely, see the blacksmith master, and then to go an archer up there, and then right here is the bird lady that I got for my birthday at Bricks and Minifigs. The store I went to, they got get this and a little well, and I built neat hole inside. Just can't get it off. Okay. Here's the second floor with the dining area. And then if we take that off, well, I can't really take it off. Okay, if I take it off, you guys will see like an armory and all that. And it's like a regular module building where you could take things off. Give you the inside, like right here. A little bear rug and a little bed. A little note right there. And then, yeah. Let's place in the Lego City. Here it is, guys. The city, for the most part, is intact. So here's the doubled up gas station I did in the last video. Now, what you guys really want to see is the blacksmith being placed. It's in the back corner. It's the only good place because, well, all this, whole city. And up here is no room at all. I mean, if I was to remove that botanical garden and put it back where it was, right down here, that'd be sad though. Also, since I got the double up gas station, I got another Titanosaurus. I have 2 of them now, and I have a Jurassic Park Brachiosaurus that I got for Christmas a while ago. I don't even know where to put these things, so leave a comment down below where I should put them. And I'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, and be creative.